Many customers, they want to buy plasma cutting machines or flame cutting machines to work on the steel, but they don't have so much budget or their working space is not so big, so they don't know how to do. Today I will introduce one kind of machines that can solve this problem. This is one portable plasma cutting machine. This plasma machine is very portable, you can see. It's very small, but it can work on plasma and work on the flame. The price is also much cheaper than the big machines. So it is very suitable for the family or working or for the new starters. Today I will introduce how to use it step by step. The plasma source. If we want to use the plasma, then this is the plasma source. And here is a controller. This is a controller. This controller can support Chinese, English, Spanish, and other languages. This is the arc setting. We set the arcs by here. And here is the plasma head. And this switch is connected to the parts where you want to work on. This will connect to the plasma power and also to the steel what you want to cut. Now let me introduce the several parts to you. You can see here we have two cables here. One cable is for the arc. We have labels here, and one cable, this is for the plasma. This is two plugs and different inserts. So one insert here to the arc voltage, one to the control signals. They are different, so you will not make mistakes. And here, because this plasma is a single phase, 200 volts single phase, so you can see we connect just like this. One thing is very important is here. This is the air tube. We usually use the 8 millimeters air tube to connect to the air compressor. Here has the filter inside. And the voltage for the air is usually from 0.4 to 0.5 ampere. Here is a current meter. It means when you want to cut the steel, how big the current you want to use. And this switch will set here, you can see. From here we can set the current meter. And here we also make sure this is power, green light. Air pressure, also green light. Here are two alarms, they are yellow light. Make sure they are not opening on. Here, never keep it just like this. This is the inside, this is the check air. Don't use it and never push it. Now we check here. This is the work cable. It means work cable. This one will connect to the steel you want to cut. Just remember the switch. Look here. Cable. Connect this switch to the steel, which one you want to cut. And this cable is for the output air current. Here, this one also cable. Need to connect here. Here we have 4 cables, and because the cable have different plugs, so usually it will not make a mistake, but you should make sure. One for this one. This is the arc setting equipment. This one. Now here we have 4 switches here, 4 switches, and 2 watches here. Now I will introduce one by one.